Hello, welcome sir guys, I am Ariobit and in this tutorial I will show you how to add avatar or profile picture on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So please, what you need to do is enter on my channel, welcome on my channel, and now on manage channel here, and now on this place marks, and as you can see here you have your image, and now you can change on others. You click on the yes, and later on the publish. As you can see, you did it, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I hope that I help you. So see you next time. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.